Hi, today I would like to share with you the unboxing of the RBT project kit. The title of the project is Auto Plant Watering Kit for Microbit. The kit comes with two options. First is to have the microbit included, and the second option is not to have the microbit included. My option is the second, which is not to have the microbit included. Now let's see what you will get when you purchase the RBT project kit. You will receive a very colorful and interesting guidebook which will guide you to build the project, a microbit, battery holder, power and data cable, AA battery, water pump with pipe, popsicle stick, cable ties, double-sided tapes, servo extension, cable, Phillips screwdriver, servo motor, and lastly the maker soil moisture sensor. So what's next? Let's start building the project. Till we meet in our next video. Bye bye.